Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word wife. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. My wife and I have been happily married for 10 years. A wife is a married woman considered in relation to her husband who is committed to a partnership and shares a household and life together. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.